restaurant, long order.
Next, please.
Hi, sorry. I think I made a mistake.
That's okay. What happened?
I ordered soup, but I don't want soup.
No problem. What would you like instead?
Sorry, I feel nervous.
It's okay. Take your time.
I want chicken and rice.
Great. Would you like a drink?
Yes, I take water.
Almost perfect. We say, I'll have water.
Oh, I'll have water.
Perfect.
I always forget.
That's normal. You're doing really well.
Okay, I try again. I'll have chicken and rice, and I'll have water.
Excellent. That's exactly right.
Thank you. I feel better now.
You did great. See? No problem at all.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sorry?
Can you help me?
Yes. What do you need?
I look for train station.
I don't understand.
I look for train station.
Oh, you're looking for the train station.
Yes.
Okay.
Straight.
Then turn left at the traffic lights.
Lights?
Traffic lights.
Oh, okay.
Then walk for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yes.
And then?
You will see a big building.
Big building.
On your right.
Right.
That's the station.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay. Go straight, turn left, walk 5 minutes. The building will be on the right. Do you understand?
Not really.
Do you have a phone?
Yes.
Open your map.
Okay.
Where are you now?
I don't know.
Show me.
Here.
Okay, you are here, and the station is here.
Oh, okay.
Now do you see it?
Yes, a little.
Just follow the road.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Returning an item.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I want return this shirt.
We say, I want to return this shirt.
I want to return this shirt.
Perfect. What's the problem?
It is too small.
I see. Did you try it on?
Yes, I tried it yesterday.
We say, I tried it yesterday.
I tried it yesterday.
Great. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here.
Thank you. Do you want a refund or exchange?
Exchange, please.
What size do you need?
Medium.
Let me check. Yes, we have it.
That's good.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
It fits well.
Perfect.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Your English is improving.
Thank you. I practice every day.
Job interview. Hi, you must be David.
Yes. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you today?
I'm okay.
Good. So, are you ready to start?
Yes, I think.
Okay. Tell me what you do in the morning.
I check emails and I talk with customers.
Talk with customers?
Oh, talk to customers.
Yes.
Sorry,
It's fine.
I feel nervous.
I can see that.
My English is not very good.
It's okay. Just speak slowly.
Okay.
Try again.
I check emails and talk to customers.
Better.
Thank you.
What else do you do?
I help customers.
Good.
And I answer questions.
Good.
Sometimes I don't understand people.
Then ask them to repeat.
Okay.
Say it.
Can you repeat, please?
Exactly.
Okay.
You'll get used to it.
I hope so.
You will. First day. Already made a mistake. Hi, you must be David.
Yes, hello. I think I made a mistake already.
What happened?
I sent the wrong email to a customer.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. It happens.
I feel very embarrassed.
It's your first day. It's okay.
My English is not very good.
That's fine. We will fix it together.
Thank you.
Tell me what you wrote.
I say, we sent your order yesterday, but it's not true.
Okay, we'll correct it.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Let's practice. What do you usually do in the morning?
I check emails and I talk with customers.
Talk to customers.
Talk to customers.
Good.
I feel nervous when I write emails.
That's normal.
What should I do?
Write simple sentences.
Okay.
Try again.
I check emails and talk to customers.
Perfect.
Thank you. I feel a little better now.
Good. We'll fix the email together. Seeing the doctor.
Hello. I'm really worried. I think something is wrong.
Okay, tell me what's happening.
I feel very sick. I have headache.
A headache.
Yes, a headache.
Anything else?
I don't sleep well, and I feel very tired.
How long have you felt like this?
3 days.
Do you have a fever?
I think yes.
Let me check.
Okay.
You have a mild fever.
Is it serious?
No, it's not serious.
I was really scared.
That's understandable.
I don't understand everything in English.
That's okay. You're doing well.
Thank you.
You need rest, water, and medicine.
Okay.
Try to sleep more.
I will try.
Do you have any questions?
No, I think I understand.
Good.
Thank you. I feel calmer now.
Hotel reservation.
Hi, I have a reservation.
Name, please?
Martinez.
I don't see it here.
Sorry? What?
I can't find your reservation.
Oh, no, I booked online.
When did you book it?
Yesterday.
Do you have a confirmation?
Yes, on my phone.
Can you show me?
Yes, here.
This is for tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, not today.
Oh, I made a mistake.
Do you need a room for tonight?
Yes, I just arrived.
Let me check availability.
Okay.
We have 1 room left.
Oh, good.
It's more expensive than your booking.
How much?
120 for 1 night?
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Do you want to take it?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll need your ID.
Here.
Thank you.
Sorry for the confusion.
It happens all the time.
I was worried. I have no room.
You're lucky we had one.
Yes, thank you very much.
Meeting someone.
Hi! Are you new here?
Yes, I am new.
Nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
How long have you been here?
2 weeks.
Do you like it so far?
Yes, but my English is not very good.
It's good. I understand you.
I feel shy when I speak.
That's normal.
Sometimes I don't know what to say.
That's okay. Just speak simple.
Okay,
What do you like to do?
I like music and movies,
Me too. What kind of movies?
action, and comedy.
Same here.
Oh, really?
Yes. Do you watch movies in English?
Sometimes. But it's difficult.
That's good practice.
Yes. I try.
Do you live near here?
Yes. Not far.
That's nice.
Sorry. Sometimes I don't know what to say.
You're doing great. Just keep talking.
Okay. Thank you.
See? It's getting easier.
Yes. A little easier.
Grocery store. Card problem.
That will be $15.
Okay. I pay with card.
Go ahead. It didn't go through.
Oh, sorry. I try again.
Okay. Still not working.
Oh no, I don't understand.
Do you have another card?
No, only this one.
Do you have cash?
I think a little,
How much do you have?
maybe $10.
That's not enough.
Oh, this is a problem.
Do you want to remove something?
Yes. Maybe this juice.
Okay, new total is $11.
Still too much.
You can remove one more item.
Okay. This snack.
Now it's $9.
Okay. I pay cash.
Thank you.
Sorry. This is embarrassing.
It happens.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem.
Classroom. Wrong homework.
Did you finish the homework?
I think I did the wrong homework.
What do you mean?
I didn't understand the assignment.
Which part was confusing?
The instructions.
Did you read page 10?
I read page 11.
That's the wrong page.
Oh, I see.
The homework was on page 10.
I didn't know.
What did you do instead?
I answered questions from page 11.
That's a different exercise.
Oh, no.
It's okay. You can redo it.
Okay.
Do you understand the correct task now?
Not completely.
Read page 10 and answer questions 1 to 5.
Page 10. Questions 1 to 5.
Yes.
Do I write full sentences?
Yes. Full sentences.
Okay, I understand now.
Good.
Sorry.
No problem. Just ask next time.
I will. Thank you.